Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Paint and loading the image you'll edit. Once the program opens, choose New or Open. Make a quick save as copy so originals stay safe. Next, set canvas dimensions, use resize for pixels or percent, and lock aspect ratio when you want to preserve proportions. Make sure to check zoom to see fine details. This initial setup saves time and prevents accidental loss, so take these steps now before you edit. Now focus on the main edits. Pick tools that match your goal. Use brush or pencil for freehand strokes. Set size and transparency to control intensity. Use selection tools to isolate areas, then crop, move, or copy them. Freeform lets you trim irregular shapes. Add text and shapes for structure, and use the color picker to match existing tones exactly. Once done with a section, zoom out and review composition, because small adjustments here change the final look. To finish, clean edges and balance contrast so the image reads clearly at intended size. Reorder objects by copying and pasting in the sequence you want, which acts like simple layers. When satisfied, save as and choose PNG for transparency or JPEG for smaller files. Verify quality settings. If something goes wrong, revert to your saved copy, check the chosen file format, or restart Paint to clear glitches. Remember to save a final backup. That step prevents lost work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.